The SkyBayTech program at Skyline College in San Bruno, California, is designed to meet local workforce need through the development of a brand new electronics technology program. We focus on hands-on and project-based learning experiences to prepare students to enter the workforce in electronics manufacture, testing, and repair. The SkyBayTech team are forming relationships with local industry partners to guide curriculum, provide professional development, and join our workforce placement program, including Stanford Linear Accelerator, ABX Engineering, SA Photonics, and EPTech Soldering Training Solutions. In our first funding year, the SkyBayTech team developed a set of 5 new courses in electronics fundamentals, contextualized mathematics, and electronics manufacture. The course sequence culminates with a college certificate in electronics assembly and fabrication and the J-Standard 001 Institute of Printed Circuits industry certification in soldering. With support from the NSF ATE program and our college administration, college has renovated one half of our fabrication lab into a premier electronics technology design facility. The space is fully outfitted with high-quality electronics test, manufacturing, and repair equipment, and has already taken shape as the cornerstone of the SkyBayTech electronics program.